private jet has landed safely at the Southern California airport despite a landing gear problem.
Ontario Tower Ops 4 requesting movement onto runway 26 right. I'd like to show movement areas closed at this time.
Ops 4 at Whiskey, proceed on runway 26 right. Show 26 right closed.
26 right closed, we're proceeding on runway 26 right. Ontario Tower Ops 4, I'd like to show all movement areas closed at this time.
Ops 4, show all movements area closed.
The twin-engine Gulfstream G4 touched down gingerly shortly after 2 p.m. on Friday at the Ontario International Airport east of Los Angeles, an ETV pilot report.
South of runway 26 left orbiting, and they will remain clear.